Now, in the Apple iPhone 17 series, you're getting a feature called Dual Capture. What this means is that you can record video with the selfie camera and back camera together. It'll appear on one screen. As of now, this feature is available in the iPhone 17 series only, and upcoming phones will also have this feature, but now this feature isn't available in older iPhones. Sometimes it may come. Anyways, in this video, we'll tell you about how to record a dual capture video on your iPhone. For this, open the camera application. After that, down here, you can see so many options. From this, select video. After selecting video, above, you can see some dots. Click on these dots, and here you can see the dual capture option. Or, again click on this video option, and you can see dual capture here. What you need to do is just click on this, and when you're clicking on that, dual capture will be turned on. And in a small box, you can see your selfie camera recording. You can move it wherever you want. For example, I'm keeping it here. If this box is blocking anything from the back camera, you can move it wherever you want. Anyways, after that, to record, click on this button, and when you're clicking on that, the recording will start. After that, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do that. But it'll work only in the back camera. And likewise, if you want to pause this video in between, click on this button, and you can pause again. If you want to resume, click on this button, and you can resume. And in between, if you want to take a screenshot, what you need to do is click on this button. When you're clicking on that, one photo will be clicked. And after that, to save this video, click on this button when you're clicking on that. That video will be saved. After that, if you're going to the Photos application, you can see that video. This is the video. And in between, I have taken one photo, and that is this photo. So, this way, you can easily take a dual capture video on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.